How to fix gap dice in Monopoly Go. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. Open Monopoly Go application on your phone. Okay, here we go. Now at the bottom right corner you can see the option of friends. Just tap on it. Now over here you can see various options. Just tap on invite for now. Now after tapping on invite, you'll come across this page and you can see you can earn 20, 60 and even 100 dices. So what you can do is you can invite your friends either from Facebook or other various applications and win dices and avoid gap dices. Now tap on wins at the bottom left corner. Here we go. Now you can play quick wins and earn prizes. You can also win several dices by playing the quick wins in your game. So by following these steps, you can avoid gap dices in Monopoly Go. And that was it for today. If you found this video helpful and useful, don't forget to like and subscribe.